Your Windows setup has so much potential, and with the right tools, you can unlock a smoother, faster, and more productive experience. These free utilities are designed to save you time, simplify your workflow, and give you more control over your system. Let's explore some of the best ones out there. Once you try these utilities, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Powertoys is one of the most versatile tools available for Windows. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your PC, featuring a collection of over 25 utilities designed to make your tasks smoother. Whether you want to pin apps to the top of other windows with Always on Top, extract text from images with Text Extractor, or quickly resize images in bulk with Image Resizer, Powertoys has something for everyone. If you're a developer, designer, or just someone who loves efficient tools, Powertoys will undoubtedly be a game changer. Get Powertoys here. If you often find yourself searching for files on your computer, everything is a must-have tool. It's lightning fast, incredibly simple to use, and takes the frustration out of finding your files. Just type in what you're looking for and everything will find it in seconds, making it far superior to Windows's built-in search. Try everything here. When it comes to volume control, Ear Trumpet offers a smarter, more intuitive solution than the default Windows mixer. Instead of navigating through several menus to control individual app volumes, Ear Trumpet gives you easy access right from your system tray. You can adjust the audio levels of each open program with ease, making it especially handy for managing multiple sounds at once. Download Ear Trumpet here. If you enjoy switching between light and dark modes, Auto Dark Mode handles it automatically. It adjusts your theme based on your location's sunrise and sunset times, or you can customize it further. No more fiddling with settings. Auto Dark Mode does all the work for you. Get Auto Dark Mode here. Adjusting your monitor's brightness should be effortless, and Monitorian lets you do just that. This simple tool lets you easily control the brightness of multiple screens from your system tray. It's perfect for tasks like video editing or working late into the night when you need to tweak your screen's brightness without reaching for physical buttons. Try Monitorian here. For those looking to keep their PC cool, fan control is an essential tool. It allows you to fine-tune your computer's fan speeds to maintain optimal temperature while minimizing noise. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running resource-intensive tasks, fan control ensures your PC stays calm and quiet. Download Fan Control here. If you're a gamer or someone who wants to get the most out of your GPU, MSI Afterburner is indispensable. It lets you overclock your GPU, monitor performance, and tweak settings like voltage and fan speed. This tool is perfect for fine-tuning your system for higher frame rates or optimizing it for heavy workloads. Get MSI Afterburner here. For those who juggle multiple computers, Mouse Without Borders is a fantastic tool. It lets you control up to 4 PCs with just one mouse and keyboard. You can seamlessly move your cursor between screens, drag and drop files, and boost your productivity without the hassle of switching between different devices. Try Mouse Without Borders here. If you're a developer, VS Codium is a fantastic alternative to Visual Studio Code. It's open source and privacy focused, removing the telemetry and proprietary components found in Visual Studio. It's lightweight, customizable, and works across multiple operating systems, making it the perfect choice for a clean, untracked coding experience. Download VS Codium here. Doesn't have to be a hassle. PDF Gear lets you easily view, edit, and annotate PDFs without the heavy weight of traditional software. Whether you need to highlight text, add comments, or modify images, this lightweight tool has you covered. It's perfect for anyone who regularly deals with PDFs. Try PDF Gear here. These tools are designed to make your Windows experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable, and they're all free. Make sure to check out our next video where we dive deeper into the 10 free alternatives that will replace everything you pay for. It's going to take your content creation to the next level. Got a favorite tool that's not on this list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your system and boosting your productivity.